Okay. Now from this section on, we are going to learn one by one C commands. Okay. Now we are going to learn a new language called C language. So we are going to learn our first command here. Okay. Now the first command we are going to learn in C language is called printf. Printf. Now this is a command. When you learn the English language for the first time, what did you learn? You learn the commands of that language. What are the commands that you have learned? Eat, read, go, sit. So these are the commands that you have learned. Likewise, we are going to learn the commands of C language. And what is the first command that we are going to learn? Printf. Now what is meant by the printf? The printf means ready to print. We are giving a command to the computer, ready to print, right? Now I am explaining this in a very simple manner, so you'll be able to understand it. Understand? Okay. Now what is meant by printf? Ready to print. We are giving a command to the computer, ready to print. Now, if I ask you to go, you will ask where. Likewise, now here we are telling the system, ready to print. So our system will ask, what is to print? Okay. So within the parenthesis and within the double quotation, we are giving a message to print. Okay. Right. Let's say hello world, like everyone else. Hello world. Okay. So this is the complete syntax for this printf command. And remember, all the C commands are lowercase letters. So all the letters here are lowercase letters. Okay. Now what is meant by printf? Ready to print. Ready to print what? Whatever we put within the double quotation. Understand? Again, I will tell you what is meant by printf? Ready to print. Ready to print what? Whatever we put within the double quotation. Understand? So whatever we put within the double quotation will print as it is. Our machine will print this message as it is. And remember, this programming command is not complete yet. Remember, in C language, every command must terminate with a semicolon. Okay. Now this is a C command, and the C command must terminate with a semicolon. Okay. Right. What is meant by printf? Ready to print. Ready to print what? Whatever we put within the double quotation. Whatever we put within the double quotation will print as it is. So I will show you an example. Okay. We are going to type our first C program. So let's type printf parenthesis. Within parenthesis, I will put double quotations, and let's give hello world. Okay. And by the end of the command, don't forget to put the semicolon. Now we have finished writing our C program. Now, can this program read by the computer? No, this is still in the C language. We must convert this C language program into a binary language program. Then only machine can understand. Okay. So what we must do is, we must convert this C program into a binary. Convert this into a binary file. So which machine can understand. Now this converting process is called the build-in process. The build-in process, or some says it is the compilation process. Understand? Okay. So we have to build this project. So once you build this project, it will create the binary version of the C program. Now let's go to the software and try to build it. Now you can see this icon called build. So I will first build it. Now if it is successfully built, you will see here. If you have any errors, it will show you here. Now I want to do an error. I will ignore the semicolon. Now let's try to build it again. Now you can see, right, there is an error. Okay. What is the error? Expected semicolon before the return. Yes, before the return, you are expecting the semicolon, right? So anytime if you have an error, the error message will show here. Okay. Right. Let's compile it. Okay. Now after you compile it, using this icon, you can run the program. So I will run the program. Okay. You can see it is successfully running the program. So what is the message we have here? Hello world. Understand? Okay. Congratulations. You have successfully completed your first program. Okay. Right. Now before we end this section, I want to show you something else. Now from now on, instead of pressing two buttons, you can just press this one, build and run. So it will build and run the project. Okay. Right. Now it says press any key to continue. Right. I hope you understood our first program and our first command. What is meant by printf? Ready to print. Ready to print what? Whatever we put within the double quotation. Whatever we put within the double quotation will print as it is. Now take some time to print some different kind of messages. Okay, from the next section on, I will give you some questions. Okay.